If you're facing any of these problems, then you most likely know your hard ready banned and need the hard ready spoofer. Doesn't matter which game, it can be Fortnite getting battle bus kicked or Valorant getting banned on 52, then I have the perfect solution for you. All you have to do is change your hard ready and remove ban traces. And what you will need is a hard ready spoofer or an HWID spoofer which can do just that for you. It comes with a 100% money back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you get a full refund. That way you can try it completely risk free. Unlike every other spoofer out there, VMAX doesn't force you to factory reset your PC. It has a powerful deep cleaner with AI technology that actually detects and removes ban traces properly. Something most others just claim but don't deliver. This is the VMAX hardware spoofer. You can clearly see that I'm hardware banned in the game, so let's fix this. I'm gonna go to the spoofer tab. You can customize your motherboard settings if you like. I'm gonna keep it this way, and I'm gonna go ahead and press natural spoof just like this. For your time's sake, I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. And now it's finished, which means my serial numbers, my motherboard, everything has been spoofed and nothing else to do, just that press of a button. And you can see right here in the hard ready tab that all my serials are green. Go to Valorant, and now if I'm gonna press play and enter the game, let's see if anything changed. Let's speed this up a bit. Any moment, and there we go. I think that's it. Basic training means I made it past. That's absolutely it. There's no tricks to this, there's nothing else to it, and just one press of a button.